Let's see if package number 6 is worth it.
What is happening?
It's for a razor and a little brush.
Was it worth it?
Let's see if package number 7 is worth it.
Ribbon? Ribbon.
Was it worth it?
Let's see if package number 4 was worth it.
It's weird and squishy. Yeah, a bike seat? I don't know.
Oh, nope. Nope, nope, nope. I know what it is now. A lot of bike tires.
Is it one big
No,
tire?
it's two. It's 2 tires.
Was it worth it?
Let's see if package number 5 was worth it.
Marbles. Might also be sand.
No.
Yeah.
Nope.
Nope.
I had a feeling it was going to be something like this. Oh, interesting. I don't quite know what they are, but they can be used for projects that I do.
Was it worth it?
But I'm going to use them to make some robots. If you guys know what these are, leave a comment. There's a whole lot of them.
Let's see if package number 6 was worth it.
Okay.
Was it worth it?
Let's see if package number 2 was worth it.
I don't know. That one's weird. Are they masks? Oh, insoles.
No. Shoe insoles. Hooray. They're like not even good. They're like real.
Was it worth it?
Let's see if package number 3 was worth it.
Are they? Is it one sticker? Okay.
Oh. Is there a...
No, that's all that's in here.
No. Literally no.
Literally, yes. If these are all replacement stickers for so you can put on screen protectors, what a waste of shipping and losing your shipment.
No.
Was it worth it?
What? Why? Why?
Oh, that was stupid.
Let's see if package number 3 was worth it.
What do you predict this is? Disappointment?
It's a screw. It might be a charm of some kind. Again, I'm going with disappointment. Yep. Disappointment.
It's a pin of a bow tie.
Was it worth it?
Oh crap.
Let's see if package number 6 was worth it.
More clothes. I don't even know at this point.
For all those who are wondering why and how these get to where they are, this is it right here.
People don't want them. Is that a belt?
Nope.
Is that a dog bowl?
No.
Hard filter? Air
No,
filter.
it's an air filter. It's too small for a car. So,
I guess car parts one other time.
Was it worth it?
We don't know cars. Judge him. He doesn't know cars either.
I don't know cars. I didn't say I know cars. I didn't claim to know cars.
Let's see if package number 16 was worth it.
It kind of sounds like Tic Tacs. I don't think that's...
Oh, it is round. Is this what I maybe think it is and hope it isn't? No. Oh! Not what I was expecting!
No!
Someone's night guards.
Have that's been used.
Well, I'm gonna go wash my hands after this, if that's the case.
Was it worth it?
Not Tic Tacs. Wait.
Yeah, bring that, keep right up there, you're just right in there. Okay, sorry whoever teeth that was, or night guards there was.
Let's see if package number 7 was worth it.
I really got nothing, guys.
Alright, we're going with mystery box. No surprises. Oh, all surprises.
Are those...
Oh, this is
Oh,
a
it's
full
for weddings.
full backdrop. Oh man. Fake flowers and butterflies. Yeah, so this is a...
Artificial flower.
Yeah,
just
it's
like,
for photography and stuff like
it's
that.
weddings and...
Was it worth it?
Butterflies on clips.
Oh, you know what? That's gonna go on my...
Sorry that I'm not gonna open this up, but this is something that I have no real use for and I have no room for.
Some noise to it.
Let's see if package number 7 was worth it.
What?
I don't know.
It's fine. Don't worry about it. I don't even know.
Hydro. Is it more smoking devices? Water bottles? Water bottles.
They're water bottles?
Oh no!
Oh no!
It's the
Are they the things?
Yes.
Oh god.
The hydrogen nonsense.
Was it worth it?
That this is.
Uh-huh.
It adds hydrogen to your water. I'm gonna make this into a project that's gonna look like a specimen tank.
Oh, we're doing more Halloween stuff. Yeah.
It's a bunch of nonsense, so not worth it, but worth it for a project. I don't need to add lights. It's already got its own electronics in there.
Is it still not going?
No, it's not doing shit. 'Cause it's a bunch of nonsense for $70. You know what this reminds me of? The children's toys when you go to the dentist office. We're sitting here watching this thing just make bubbles. Let's unplug this so I don't get electrocuted. That would be a fun toy.